welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix for you. Stitch Fix is a styling service that is online only. You fill out a style profile, pay them $20, and they will come up with a box of 5 items that suit your profile. I have a stylist, her name, or his name, I don't know, I'm assuming it's a her, is Jaden, and works out of the Bethlehem, PA warehouse. That's usually where my Stitch Fix comes from. I also have to say I have the Style Pass, whereby I pay $49 a year. It's a flat rate. That $49 can get applied just like the regular $20 to anything in my box. So for the whole year, I pay $49 and I can get unlimited fixes and I don't have to pay a styling fee each time. For me, it's a beautiful thing because then I can be picky and choosy about the items that I choose to add to my wardrobe. And honestly, that's the only way I would do Stitch Fix at this point in my journey because my closet is getting rather full. All right, so in your box comes your return mailer, all right? All postage is paid both ways. So, you know, whatever you don't like, just shove back into the mailbox and off it goes. And it comes with a little profile card, and I'm going to read my note. Hi, Carolyn. I'm always so excited to style you. Thank you for being so understanding with our inventory issues. I always try my hardest to meet your requests, but it's not always up to me, unfortunately. I know you're wanting cozy but cute pieces, so hopefully you find something you like. The Faith and Zoe pullover is so unique, but it's a sweater, so I thought you can use this would be perfect for you. I've also sent you the Fortune and Ivy top in order to give you a little extra comfort, oversized look. How do you like the pink clover cardigan? I love how unique this is and thought it would look great with the mule booties I sent. I know these aren't exactly the white or burgundy booties you were looking for, but I thought you might want to try them out. This silver necklace is what you're looking for or something simpler? Let me know, Jaden. So I'm very happy, and along comes the invoice. I'm very happy with Jaden so far. She's done a great job, and even when she doesn't give me the items I'm looking for, she explains in her note why. And I appreciate that because she's reading my note, and that's what makes, to me, an important stylist. You know, she's stuck with the inventory she has. As long as I know she's reading my notes and at least trying to find things to fit me, you know, I appreciate that. All right. As she hinted, I do have a pair of shoes in this bag. So what Stitch Fix does is they always give you the shoe bag with shoes, and obviously this would be like a great bag if you're ever traveling again, to use when you're traveling. All right, so here they are. Oh, these are kind of cute. They're tan, and they're mules. Okay, and let me see what they are. They're the Report Footwear Tony Mule Heeled Booty, size 7, for $60. Okay, they're a little bit bent up from traveling. I have to say these are my style, and I don't think I have anything. I have to go look at my closet, but I don't think I have anything beige like this. And they're the faux suede, but they're nice. They're nice. They're definitely my style. So these are a possibility. Now on camera and also on the photo stock card, they're coming out lighter than they are. I would say that these are a real tan. All right, so I will give these a shot and try them on. I like them. They're my style. There's no question about it. They're good. So that said, I'm a little bit of a shoe snob. I would prefer like suede versus faux suede and leather versus faux leather. But, you know, I'll give them a shot, see how they feel, and if they're comfortable, they might be a keeper. Okay? And they give you this little cute bundle, and look how nicely they package it. There's now this QR thing so you can scan it in your phone and it goes directly to Shop Your Looks on the Stitch Fix, either site or app if you have the app. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. So the first piece I'm pulling out is the jewelry because I knew there was a piece of jewelry in there because, one, I did peek. All right, I did ask for a long silver necklace, so that is something I asked for. And I did ask for burgundy or white booties, which I've been asking everybody for, but apparently it's not that easy to find burgundy or white booties. So those were her alternative to those. And I like a 3-inch heel, so I'm happy she was able to find something with me heel. So this necklace is a possibility, all right? It has, let me show you the details. It has an expander on top, so you can what is it, about an inch, maybe even an inch and a half if I flip it over here. Yeah, probably about like even like 2-inch expander that you can bring it for. And it has 3 layers, and it's almost like a hammered like metal, or like I guess engraved, grooved. And there's these little sparkly balls here in the middle. I can tell you now, I'm getting a trunk club, all right? And I know there's a Kendra Stott necklace in my trunk club that I might be interested in. So I'm not so sure about this, okay? Maybe. This is a maybe. This is the Bancroft Anika Fireball Link necklace in silver, $34. Okay? It has three layers, has a ball in the middle. So would I wear this? Yeah, I would wear this. Do I need to have this? I'm not so sure. I'd have to put it on me and see how it looks. Okay. Next up, okay, this is a brushed knit, I can tell you right now, and it's in a regular size small, I guess to give me an oversized look. And this might work with my faux, because I did ask her for tunic tops. I did ask for things with my leggings, my faux suede leggings, all right? Now that said, I am not a huge fan of brush knit. I don't have much success with it. I find it pills up and just looks like general crap after I wash it. So let me look at the instructions on how to care for this. And it is hand wash cold. Yeah, I don't know, for a casual cozy top. 75% rayon, 22% polyester, 5% spandex. Okay, this is the Fortune and Ivy Gillian button detailed knit in purple, size small. $38. So it's definitely cheap enough. And I was gonna say it's like a purpley brown, okay? And it does have some button detail here on the side, and they are faux buttons. They do not work. There's no holes on the other side, but there are some buttons, 3 buttons down the side, and on the other side as well too, right? Yeah, on the other side as well. So right now I can tell you I'm gonna lean towards a no for this, because 1, it seems really big, and I mean, I'm looking for something casual and comfy but not sloppy. 2, the color, it's like a heathered purple, so it's like a purpley grayish brownish, and I don't know, this is just, I don't know, kind of feels kind of inexpensive to me, kind of cheap. Not really me. All right. Next up, which does not feel cheap upon immediate feeling thought, this is the Faith and Zoe Tizzy bow sleeve crew neck pullover in burgundy, size extra small. Okay, this feels like a good quality. It has an open sleeve with little bows on the sleeve. All right. Not sure how I feel about that. I'd have to see it on me and how ridiculous it looks. It is a crew neck, which I do like crew necks, but they're not my favorite. So I will wear a crew neck, don't get me wrong, but I prefer something more with the scoop or V, because I'm kind of chesty up here, and I think when you wear a crew neck and a high neck, it just looks like I got a big uniboob. So, but I will try this on, and it might be long enough to wear with my faux suede leggings, so I will give it a shot. And this is in an extra small, and this one was $64. All right, so this is a nice quality. I can feel this is nice quality. Let me see what the fabric content of this one is. See if I can find it. Okay, maybe not. This one is also hand wash cold, which for a sweater I don't mind. 78% rayon, 22% nylon. So I like the fabric of this one a lot. Okay. Next up comes another cardigan. And this is if you haven't been watching my videos, this is the 3rd cardigan in a row that I've received. Okay, this one is like a tweedish kind of, not tweed, what do we call this? Almost, it's like a chevron print in tan and ivory, a camel color and ivory. It is unique, super soft. Okay, this one is the Pink Clover Braylon collared double pocket cardigan. They call it in brown. Size small, $58, which I think is a great price for a very thick, heavy sweater. Let me see what it's made out of. I have a feeling it's 100% acrylic. It is soft though. It's not itchy or scratchy. It's very soft. And let's see if I can find, and she sent this to me in a small, which is, I think it's gonna be too big. 75% acrylic, 5% spandex, 20% polyester. All right, so give me a few minutes and I'll give a try on for these. Okay, up next is this burgundy sweater and the necklace, and I'll step back in a minute for the shoes, but let's first do the necklace first. So I put this on, and honestly, this is $34, and I don't think it's worth it. This seems a little bit flimsy to me and not very good quality. I'm pretty sure now, and it's a little bit, I know people are looking at me nuts, maybe a little bit too much for my taste going on, a little bit too much. It's not heavy at all. Like I said, it's kind of cheap and flimsy quality, the necklace, so I'm not happy with the necklace. I feel this is something that would probably break easily. So the necklace is a no. Now I have on the sweater. Now I had high hopes for this sweater initially when I saw it in my preview, because I thought I was going to be able to wear it with my leggings, but as you can see, it is kind of short for leggings. I would have preferred it to be a little bit right past my butt cheeks, and this hits me mid-cheek. And I'm not wild in how like flowy it is down here. I like my tops to come, you know, not be skin tight, but kind of drape the body more. And like when I sit out like this, to me, it's like I'm pregnant, you know? I don't like things like that. I want to be able to show that I have somewhat of a waist and not things that stick out. So yeah, I'm kind of like upset. They kind of made this like a bell almost, this shirt. You see how it's like lays like this, and this is not how I like my tops to lay. So that is a no. I'm going to back up so you can see the shoes. I would not wear the shoes with these pants. They clash completely, but I wanted you to get an idea, and I figured I already have the outfit on. So I'm standing back, all right, and I'm showing you the shoes. There's nothing wrong with them. They feel comfortable. They are my style. You know, one thing to note, I'm like looking at them now, and maybe they can be fixed, but there's like a big dent in the front of them, I guess from the shipping. So let's see if I can get my finger in there. All right, it did pop out. Okay, so it did pop out. But I don't know if it's always gonna dent or, you know, I'm not so sure about these, to be honest with you. They're my style, but they're, honestly, I'm a shoe snob. I like my Michael Kors, my Steve Madden, and I don't mind paying $125 for a really nice pair of shoes. Do I prefer to get them for $80? Yes. But maybe I'll think about these, because I don't have anything in my wardrobe like this. I have taupe booties, but I don't have any tan booties, and nor do I have tan mules. I have only black mules. So these are a maybe. I'm thinking about it. So no to the sweater, no to the necklace, maybe for the shoes. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on something else. Okay, next up is I believe this is a Fortune and Ivy. Yes, Fortune and Ivy brushed knit top. And I have to say this is a no. I know a lot of people like the oversized look, and that's what's cool. My daughter wears it and she can pull it off. For me, I look like, you know, frumpy, you know. I'm short as it is, and it just looks to me, it looks sloppy on me. I mean, I want to look cute and cozy, but not sloppy. Does that make sense? Obviously, the arms are too long, so I'd have to pull them up. I'm not crazy about the color that much. I mean, it's okay. It has the faux buttons on the side, so it's almost like a slit. And like I said, this is a little bit too cheap for me, this brushed knit, and it's very thin. And like I said, I know everyone says, oh, the brushed knits, they're so soft, but this particular one is really thin, and I could see this looking like a rag once I washed it. So this is definitely a no for me. It's just not me. All right, next up I have the cardigan. All right, last up is the cardigan. I kept on the leggings, hoping it would go with the leggings, and I just put like a white t-shirt on underneath. My idea was wearing this with the leggings, which I would say it is a pretty close match. So if you're interested in the leggings and this sweater, I mean, here is the color difference. I think it clothes well enough that you can wear this together as an outfit. It's a super soft. It is, as I mentioned, mostly acrylic, but it's not the itchy kind of acrylic. I just feel it's just too big for me. I mean, I know the oversized is in, and that's what it looks like, but between the arms being too long, I also just think they're too wide in the arms, and it just makes it look sloppy. I mean, I can handle the width. I don't think the width is too wide. I think it's actually pretty good in the width. It's the arms that I think look sloppy. They're just like too long and just like too loose, like right around here. No, I don't know. Maybe I'll look back at the footage and I'll change my mind, but let me know what you think. You think this looks like a nice sweater to wear with these leggings? Or, you know, no, Carolyn, you can find a nicer tunic to wear with these. Keep in mind, I already have the black one from White House Black Market to wear with these. So I do have something to wear with these leggings. I was just looking for more tunic-like options. But I don't think this is going to be it. But you guys let me know. It is a very nice sweater, and it's versatile, definitely versatile with the tan and the ivory, and you know, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear it with black pants, you can wear it with tan pants. So let me know your thoughts. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna watch the footage back, give you my final thoughts, if I have any final thoughts, and go over a few things with you. Final thoughts. I'm thinking about the shoes, but everything else is going back. The cardigan I kind of felt frumpy in, and I don't want to feel frumpy. I want to feel like cute and want to spark joy. It felt like oversized and sloppy on me. It just didn't feel great. Definitely the brush knit's going back, and that burgundy top is a disappointment, because if that was longer and laid nicer, I would have kept that one. And the necklace I had high hopes on, but it is definitely not worth $34. That is something I would like Target quality for $9.99. That to me is not worth it. And like I said, I'm getting a Kendra Scott in my trunk club, and I have high hopes for that, and I know that is a much better quality. And yes, it's more money, but I'd rather pay a little bit more to get a much better quality. Okay, one thing I wanted to share is I got business cards. Aren't they cute? You're probably seeing a little bit of a glare, but these were cheap. I figured, what the heck, why not? I got to start passing them out. I gave some to my hairdresser already. I'll pass them along as I shop and be like, hey, check out my YouTube channel. So I thought that was kind of cute. I'm very pleased. They were only $15, so I'm pretty happy. I want to thank all returning subscribers. I appreciate your support so much. I'm glad you come and join and spend your time with me to see what I get in my boxes and my shopping hauls. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm really trying hard to get up to 500 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway once I'm there. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It doesn't cost you anything. And while you're at it, click the notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me in my rankings. Thank you again, and take care until next time.